Now here a question is, a vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. So your vessel will look like this. Observe. Then which is open. Okay. Inverted cone. Its height is 8 centimeter. So here h given 8 centimeter. Radius of its top which is open is 5 centimeter. It is filled with water up to the brim. Now see, it is filled with water up to the brim. Up to the brim means till the top of that vessel water is filled. It means in another language I can say that volume of vessel is equals to volume of water. Now see, further it is given that when lead shots, each of which is a sphere of radius. Now lead shots are there which is having a shape sphere of radius 0.5 centimeter are dropped into the vessel. 1/4 of water flows out. So while I will drop lead shots in a vessel, some lead shots if I will drop in it, so 1/4 of water flows out. It means volume of water flows out is equals to volume of lead shots which is equals to 1/4 of volume of water, may I say, because in a question they said, they have specified that while you will drop lead shots into the vessel, 1/4 of water flows out. 1/4 of water flows out when you are dropping lead shots. So volume of all lead shots is equals to volume of water flows out, because what many lead shots you will drop, what volume will occupy, that much volume water obviously will flows out. So volume of water flows out equals to, here I can write 1/4 of volume of vessel. Further, find the number of lead shots dropped into the vessel. So here I just have to find out number of lead shots dropped into the vessel. From your earlier classes, I told you that while you have to obtain a particular number in a lead shot, particular number in a word problem, so that time it leads a division. How? From whole, you have to subdivide a 1. Quantity, from whole quantity, if I will divide a 1. Suppose I am having a 1 box which occupied many cuboids, many cubes. So, volume of whole box divided by volume of 1 cube. Similarly here, volume of what? Number of lead shots I have to find out. Number of lead shots is equals to volume of all lead shots upon volume of lead shot. Volume of one lead shot. So for that I have to find out this many things. Orally while I am speaking, might be you people will be confused. So step by step here we'll solve. You will get a proper understanding. Now see. So first of all what I will do, I will find out volume of vessel. So volume of vessel is equals to, may I say, volume of water, because vessel is filled up to the brim with water. So which is equals to, now vessel having the shape cone, and volume of cone we are knowing 1/3 pi r square h. So which is equals to 1/3 r pi value 22/7, radius also given, that is 5 into 5 directly may I write 25, and height given 8. So when you will simplify it, here your answer will be 4400 upon 21 centimeter cube. Now after that, this is a volume of vessel. After that, in a vessel, we'll drop some lead shots. So if I will drop lead shots, so some water will obviously flows out, because water is filled up to the brims only. So volume of water flows is equals to volume of lead shots. And one more condition is also given in a question, that while we will drop the lead shots into the vessel, 1/4 of water flows out. So volume of lead shots is equals to 1/4 of volume of volume of water. And volume of water here I have calculated. So 1 by 4 into 4400 upon 21 centimeter cube. So will be 1100 upon 21 centimeter cube. Now after that I have to find out volume of lead, number of lead shots. To find out number of lead shots, how I will find out? To find out number of lead shots, I will find out volume of all lead shots upon volume of one lead shots. Now volume of all lead shots here already I have calculated volume of lead shots. Now volume of one lead shot I have to find out. So here we'll find volume of one lead shot is equals to, now they specified which is sphere of radius 0.5. So it is having shape spherical and volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3, value of pi 22 by 7 and radius given 0.5. So 0.5 cube. Now number of lead shots I have to find out. So number of lead shots is equals to volume of water flows out upon volume of one lead shot. So which is equals to, here I can write, which is equals to volume of water flows out, here I have calculated 1100 upon 21 and volume of one lead shot, here I have 4 by 3, so 3 will goes in a numerator into 22, 7 will goes in a numerator into 5 into 5 into 5, so here 10 into 10 into 10. Now how I have written this, because 0.5 value is in a decimal, so to convert our calculation easy, I have converted decimal into fraction. Now 5 2s are 5 2s are 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4, again cancel out. Now see, 7 3s are 3 also cancel out. So now 1100, 2 11s are 1100s are. So 100 lead shots are there. So here you have to conclude that in a vessel 100 lead shots were dropped. So children, hope this solution understood to you.